Stop scrolling. Because if you don't have at least one side hustle making you extra money right now, 2025 is going to hit you hard. These three hustles are making completely normal Americans $300 to $500 a day, and the crazy part? Almost nobody is talking about them. Let's jump in. Hustle number 1. AI content repurposing. AI is exploding right now, and people will literally pay you to turn one long video or podcast into 10 to 15 short clips for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. Here's exactly how to do it. 1. Go to TikTok or YouTube and search *podcast clips editor needed. 2. Reach out to small creators or coaches. 3. Use free tools like CapCut, Opus Clip, or Descript. 4. Charge $30 to $50 per clip or $300 to $500 per month. **** Retainer creators don't have time. Companies don't have time. But you can do this with just a laptop or even your phone. People are turning this into a full-time income fast. Hustle number 2. Amazon Low Content Publishing. This one is stupidly simple. You create journals, planners, coloring books, notebooks, and upload them to Amazon KDP. Amazon prints them. Amazon ships them. Amazon handles everything. Here's the hack. Use Canva to design simple interiors. Use BookBolt to find niches. Upload 20 to 30 designs. Price them at $6.99 to $9.99. Earn $2 to $4 per sale. Some creators make $500 to $2,000 a month doing just this. And they never touch inventory. If you want passive income, this is where beginners should start. Hustle number 3. Facebook Marketplace flipping. This is old school, but still a beast. People give away valuable stuff for free because they're moving, upgrading, or don't want to deal with buyers. Here's the method. Search Free section on Craigslist and Facebook. Look for chairs, tables, TVs, monitors, shelves. Pick up the items, clean them. Fix small things, relist them for $40 to $150 profit. Some flippers make $300 plus per day *** on weekends alone. This hustle made more millionaires in the last decade than crypto and NFTs combined. So here's the truth, most people watch videos like this, and then do nothing. But the ones who actually try these hustles, they change their entire financial life in 90 days. You're one decision away. If you want a full step-by-step guide on any of these hustles, comment hustle below and I'll drop a complete blueprint. And hit follow for daily money hacks, because 2025 is your year.